Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Bulletin with me, Joanna. Goa's growth rate has started declining once again. The major sectors affecting the economic growth are mining, agriculture and fishing. All have shown negative growth in the economic survey released by the Lakshmikant Parsekar government on Monday. The fiscal deficit has also increased by 604 crore rupees in 1 year.
The Parsekar government had delayed the annual economic survey. It was tabled on the first day of monsoon assembly session now. The figures released are a matter of concern as far as the primary sector is concerned. It is not a growth but a decline of -16%. There is little growth in the secondary sector of manufacturing, 5.6% to 6.73%, hardly 1.13% more. Even the tertiary sector of service industry is again showing little growth, but it is not even 1%. And see this breakup of primary sector of the last 3 years. The agriculture sector had shown a positive growth of plus 4.51 in 2013-2014 from the decline of minus 3.84 the previous year. But now again it has started declining, minus 6.38%. Similar is the fate of fishing industry. From the decline of minus 11.05%, it was showing positive growth of almost 39%. But once again, it is being pushed into negative growth. Mining is yet another shocker. The growth in 2012-13 was obviously minus 69% because there was a ban on mining activity. But it had improved substantially in 2013-14 with a positive growth of 0.17%. But once again, it was pushed into negative growth of 56%. The only positive growth is in the forestry. It is growing gradually from 9 to 10 to 14%. The economic survey also states that the overall fiscal deficit of the state of Goa has increased than the last year. It was 948 crore rupees in 2014-15, but that has now increased to 1,553 crore rupees. It means that fiscal deficit has increased by 604 crore rupees. Goa 365 Bureau from Panji.